Understanding Hot Desking, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's commonly used in modern workplaces, hot desking. This term might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly in conversation. So, let's dive in. Hot desking is a term used in the world of work and office management. It refers to the practice where multiple workers use a single physical workstation or desk during different time periods. The hot in hot desking implies that the desk is hot from the last person using it, metaphorically speaking. This system is used in offices to maximize space efficiency and reduce costs. The concept of hot desking is believed to have been inspired by the hot racking system used in submarines, where sailors share beds due to space constraints. In the corporate world, hot desking became popular as companies started to seek flexible work arrangements and more collaborative work environments. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples of how hot desking is used in sentences. 1. Our company has introduced hot desking to accommodate the growing number of staff. 2. I prefer having my own desk, but hot desking does make the office more dynamic. Pros. Encourages flexibility. Employees are not tied to one specific location. Saves space and costs. Reduces the amount of unused office space. Promotes collaboration. Encourages employees to interact with different colleagues. Cons. Lack of personal space can make employees feel less settled. Hygiene concerns. Sharing desks can lead to hygiene issues. Potential for conflict over desk preferences and locations. It's interesting to note that the attitude towards hot desking can vary in different cultural contexts. In some cultures, having a personal desk is seen as a status symbol, while in others, the communal aspect of hot desking is more readily embraced. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what hot desking means and how it's used in a professional context. Remember, language is not just about words but also about understanding the culture and practices behind them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.